Certainly. Here's a fully reimagined, original 8,000-word article based on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 versus Pocket 4 topic, spun for uniqueness and written in an engaging, professional tone, free from any channel mentions, timestamps, or duplication. Of the original script, DJI Osmo Pocket 4 versus Pocket 3. A massive leap or a subtle tune-up? In the world of compact cameras, DJI has carved out a unique niche with its Osmo Pocket series, small, pocketable gimbal cameras that pack a punch far beyond their size. The Osmo Pocket 3 revolutionized expectations by combining pro-grade hardware with incredible portability. But with the anticipated release of the Osmo Pocket 4, many content creators, vloggers, and adventurers are faced with a compelling question. Should you invest in the current model or wait for what's next? While the Pocket 4 hasn't officially debuted, the rumor mill is spinning at full speed, with leaks and insider reports painting a vivid picture of what's coming. And if even half of what's being said is true, the next generation of DJI's pocket-sized powerhouse could redefine what creators expect from ultra-portable gear. In this detailed comparison, we explore both the existing Osmo Pocket 3 and the speculated features of the Pocket 4, from sensors to software, stabilization to sound, to help you decide which tool best fits your creative journey. The pocket-sized game-changer, Osmo Pocket 3 recap. Before we dive into what's possibly coming, it's important to appreciate just how much ground the Osmo Pocket 3 already covers. This miniature camera blends a mechanical 3-axis gimbal, a 1-inch CMOS sensor, and a bright rotating display into a unit that literally fits into your hand. With DJI's heritage in drones and stabilizing systems, the Osmo Pocket 3 was engineered not just to be portable, but professional. Why the Osmo Pocket 3 turned heads 1-inch sensor, one of the biggest sensor upgrades ever seen in such a compact camera. Low light performance improved drastically, giving creators the ability to shoot in varied lighting conditions with confidence. 4K 120 FPS. Video. The camera's ability to record up to 120 frames per second at 4K means silky smooth slow motion and cinematic flexibility, 10-bit color support. With D-Log-M and HLG profiles, creators could finally push their color grading to professional levels without losing detail or quality. Rotating touchscreen. A 2-inch fully rotatable touchscreen simplified framing and made it easier to switch between shooting modes and settings. Multi-mic array. Audio capture was upgraded with directional microphones to reduce background noise and isolate voices, something many pocket cameras still struggle with. Battery efficiency. A full charge lasted well beyond 2 hours, and fast. Charging allowed users to get back in action with minimal downtime. Despite these achievements, there's always room for more. The bar was raised, but for tech enthusiasts and filmmakers, the question became, what can DJI possibly do next? Osmo Pocket 4, breaking new ground or refining the formula. As we edge closer to what's believed to be an official reveal, the rumored upgrades for the Osmo Pocket 4 indicate DJI isn't looking to reinvent the product. It's aiming to evolve it in critical ways that directly address user feedback and emerging content trends. Core expectations for the Pocket 41. Refined sensor, enhanced processing. While many speculate the Pocket 4 will keep the same 1-inch sensor, the real magic may come from a vastly improved image processor. Think faster data throughput, better low-light noise suppression, and stronger dynamic range. That means better clarity in shadows, improved detail in bright skies, and an overall cleaner image straight from the camera, even before color grading. Advanced color science and bit depth. The jump from 8-bit to 10-bit color in the Pocket 3 was a defining moment. But the Pocket 4 may double down on this with richer tone mapping and potentially deeper integration of cinematic modes. D-Log-M and HLG will likely return, but with cleaner results, smoother transitions, and expanded color space. This is huge. For editors who push their footage in post-production, 4K at 240 FPS? Yes, please. While the Pocket 3 maxes out at 4K 120 FPS, rumors suggest that DJI might push the Pocket 4 into the 240 FPS range. This would unlock buttery slow-motion capabilities without compromising resolution, a rare feat in cameras this small. For filmmakers capturing fast-moving subjects, sports, or even cinematic B-roll, this alone could justify the upgrade. Stabilization, already great, but can it get better? DJI's gimbal tech is already industry-leading, especially for its size. But one complaint that persists among users is Z-axis shake, vertical bouncing that occurs while walking. The Pocket 4 might solve this with mechanical improvements or smarter software stabilization. Rumored stabilization enhancements improved gimbal mechanics. A redesigned motor assembly could allow for more fluid movements and quicker responses to abrupt motion. Z-axis compensation. Whether mechanical or AI-based, better handling of walking movement would elevate handheld footage quality significantly. Subject tracking improvements. DJI's Active Track could see a leap in intelligence. Imagine smoother face-eye tracking, better framing for moving subjects, and improved AI predictions for subject behavior. Autofocus and AI upgrades. Autofocus might receive a serious upgrade with the integration of phase detection autofocus, PDAF. This could allow for near-instant lock-on focus, even in challenging conditions like low light or high motion. Eye-tracking autofocus is also expected to be more accurate, perfect for solo creators filming themselves. The Pocket 4 may also come with smart scene recognition, enhanced subject isolation, and perhaps even automatic depth of field simulation for that creamy background blur, making the footage look like it came from a much larger, more expensive rig. Audio, smarter, richer. Sound great visuals need equally. Great sound, and while the Pocket 3 performs well, DJI is rumored to be integrating intelligent sound systems into the Pocket 4. Possible audio innovations, spatial audio. Similar to what's available in premium smartphones and camcorders, this could capture immersive sound for 360-degree audio experiences. Audio zoom. As the camera zooms visually, the microphones may narrow their field of capture to better isolate distant subjects. Wind noise reduction. Improved algorithms could help minimize wind interference, especially critical for vloggers and outdoor filmmakers. User interface and display improvements. The rotatable screen of the Pocket 3 was a hit, but there's still room for refinement. Brighter nits, faster touch responsiveness, and UI enhancements might make a world of difference for usability. The Pocket 4 could offer higher peak brightness, making it easier to view outdoors in direct sunlight. Larger display, without drastically altering size. More intuitive menus. Shortcuts, swipes, and customizable quick actions could reduce the number of taps needed to access frequently used settings. Build quality and physical design compact, durable, and pocketable, the hallmark traits of the Pocket series. But a few tweaks are expected. Design tweaks in the Pocket 4 integrated tripod mount, one of the most requested features. A built-in 1/420 thread could eliminate the need for accessories. Weather resistance. Even a basic IP rating would be a game changer for outdoor content creators. Improved grip texture. Better ergonomics and anti-slip material might help users hold the device securely without a cage or grip extension. Battery life and storage battery life is always a concern for on-the-go creators. With more efficient chipsets and better heat management, the Pocket 4 could squeeze out longer runtimes, potentially pushing over 180 minutes of 1080p footage per charge. Expectations also include faster charging, 0-80% in under 15 minutes is not far-fetched. Support for faster SD cards. With high bitrate 4K and 10-bit recording, DJI may recommend or require V90 rated cards. Magnetic accessory ecosystem, magnetic ND filters, wide-angle lenses, and macro adapters could enable rapid customization without bulky setups.